Okay, don't mind this. I am plopping my hair. And if you're a curly person, like if you have curly or wavy hair, you understand what I'm doing. It's like just setting it up for failure. Not really. It's not really, but it's like hoping that your hair will turn out. It's kind of nerve-wracking. And I'm always like, I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm sure it will. I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm trying to decide on like a makeup look today. And like, I'm kind of tired, you know. I was at a concert yesterday and I was up late. I didn't even stay for the whole concert. Because I didn't go to the concert for the main act. I went for the opening act because it was Born Ruffians, and if you know, you know, right? You know? Anyway, so I stayed for a little bit of Tokyo Police Club set. But, you know, I actually don't really like them. So I promptly left. But yeah. It was good. It was fun. It's like Born Ruffians always put on a really, really great show. So I knew I was gonna have a fine time. A fine time. Who the fuck am I? I was going to have a fine time. Okay, Vern. Anyway. It was at Midway, which is an old country bar, and I've never been to the Ranch when it was the Ranch. It's now Midway, and I don't know. I was like, well, first of all, the seeing Born Ruffians was like the main reason I went, but I was like, I don't know if I want to see them at Midway, and then second, I was like, I don't know if I want to like go to this location. And like, it was fine. Like, it's a fine location, but God, they have no parking. I had to park like 3 blocks away. So I had a little bit of a walk. And it's kind of like sort of an industrial area, but it's like not an industrial area, but there's like a lot of offices and stuff there. So I felt kind of like it was kind of sketchy. It felt a little sketchy parking in a spot that I wasn't used to. And like, I know that like it wasn't that big of a deal, but it was still like, I had to park like so far. What did I do? Anyway. The concert was amazing. But like I said, you know, I go to Born Ruffians because I know that they're always going to reliably put on a good show. And they killed it. Like they always do. But yeah, like I said, they always put on a good show. And, you know, it's just always fun. They are, like, one of the main reasons I really, really like them is because they always are, their sets are always great. I mean, even last night they had like a little bit of like there were some issues, but it still was perfect. Like, they always put on the best show, like every time I've seen them, regardless of where they're playing. And you know, that was one of my biggest draws to them. And they're just great people. They're just so funny. I don't know what to wear as a lip today. It's just vintage rosewood it today. Why not? You know? Yeah. But yeah, like I said, they had some minor, like, well, you know, something caught on fire, or like something started smoking on the stage, like behind them. So that was a little terrifying. But it was still a good show. If you ever have the chance to see Born Ruffians live, and you listen to indie music, you should check them out. They're great. Alright, let's see how my hair's doing. I don't think I'd ever do a curly routine. Like, I would never film it because, like, my hair is pretty unpredictable. But yeah, that's it. That's the look. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed this video of like me putting like no makeup on. Once again, more videos are coming. They're coming through the pipeline. So have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later.